time dice will roll in the game. Again Mahaprabhu will lose. Guess what? Again he lost the game. And this time Radha will tell Prabhu, Namaskaram, Jai Jagannath. So today we will do a besa. It's a unique besa and it's a divine besa. Because this besa is called Rai Damodar besa and it's a 3 days ritual. Why it is so unique and divine? Because this is the first besa during the Kartik month. As you know, Kartik month, one of the divine month where means you can access more grace by some specific sadhanas, by specific processes. So I will tell the story because it's a means kind of play. These 3 days, Mahaprabhu and Radha will play the dice game. So this besa is according to that. So first day, I think this is 2021, and besa is on October 14 is Rai Damodar besa, which is I'm going to show you how to wear, and I will tell the story. And October 15 is the Sona besa. As you know, the Rajpur besa means the king of the kings. And again October 16 is the Rai Damodar besa. So I will see the beautiful murtis, and there is a beautiful song in Odia, and I will play after this video, and you can tune on the subtitle to know the meanings. And you have to listen that song, which is a beautiful one. And today I will show the besa with this beautiful murtis with the beautiful stand. And today we will not use any thread to tie the besas. We will use this organic gum, which is called mahana. In temple also Mahaprabhu, when they do besas, they use this one, the bigger one, small one. So when you are buying the besa, you will get the one. We will just send you with this. So see. So this is the dice game, and they will play about 7 times. So 7 dice game they will play, Mahaprabhu and Radha. They say Kamalini, one who is the lotus feet one, lady lotus feet. So first game they will play means Mahaprabhu and everything will go with this base. So first the game they will play. So when people play some games, there will be obviously there will be win and lose will be there. Otherwise it is not a game, right? So you have to put this gum where it touches. Just you put this gum and just put it here. Don't have to tie anything. The first game when they will play, Mahaprabhu will lose the game. When Mahaprabhu will lose the game, so if somebody is losing the dice game, he or she has to give something, right? He have to lose something. So Mahaprabhu will means Radha will tell Prabhu ji, please give me your mukut. So Mahaprabhu will lose his mukut. Then the second game will start. The second dice when they will roll, again Mahaprabhu will lose. Again Mahaprabhu will lose. Then again Radha or Mahalakshmi, she will tell that Prabhu, please give me your kundalas, the earrings. Please give me your earrings. So Mahaprabhu again lost the game, and he has given the earrings to him. See how to do this. Just take some gums, just put it like this. It's organic, it's not a chemical one. You don't have to worry about the chemicals. This is the organic one. So third game, again Mahaprabhu has lost a game. So again Mahaprabhu means this time Mahaprabhu will say, okay, I lost the game, you take my necklace. See, one thing why I will tell you now, Mahaprabhu is the divine lover, right? So instead of to make a woman happy, somebody has to lose. The guy has to lose. This is the means the what the married peoples, they must know that. I think people know that. Married people must know that they have to lose it. And Mahaprabhu is on the divine lover. He knows. So the fourth game when they will again Mahaprabhu will lose the game. So at that time he will give this one, the veto. They say in Odia veto. The they he will lose. Again, the fifth game when they will play, the fifth game when the fifth time when the dice will roll, again Mahaprabhu will lose. Then Mahaprabhu will give the ring. Mahaprabhu has lost the ring also. Again, the sixth game. It's a beautiful game. It's a 3 days game. People will say, see, in this Besa there is no Mukut and Kundal, everything. How Mahaprabhu will lose? So as I told, the second day Mahaprabhu will come in Suna Besa. So these 3 days are very powerful means days. And if you are means in home, you have to definitely do this Besas in your home. These 3 days. We have every type of means for every size. This Besas you can buy it from us. So when the sixth time dice will roll in the game, again Mahaprabhu will lose. Guess what? Again he lost the game, and this time Radha will tell Prabhu, please give me your shoes. So Mahaprabhu has lost everything, and the last game will roll. When the seventh time the dice will roll, see the beautiful means hands. When the dice will roll, then again Mahaprabhu will lose the game. Then Sri Radha will tell Prabhu, now you lost yourself. See, this is the way that means somebody is doing romance. That means he lost himself in the game to Radha. So definitely you have to do this Besa in your home, and it is divine Besa, and this is the playfulness in your home. They means people play the game. So this Besa is an October 14, and October 15 is Suna Besa, and October 16 is again Rai Damodar Besa. So this is the complete Rai Damodar Besa. I hope you saw the beautiful attires of Mahaprabhu, and see, this is the 4 inches Murtis. So why we have sold in 4 inches Murtis? Because most of the homes they have 4 inches Murtis, and we are providing for every sizes. You can get for every sizes this Besa, and please tell us the sizes, and definitely we will provide you the best Besa for you. And we have almost every Besas you can buy from our store, justkalinga.com, and you can, or else you can connect us through our WhatsApp number, or you can call us, or every details you will get in our description. Everything you will get. And if you want to know about more about Besas, when is the Besas are there, you can get the Mahavesa book in your website. Get it. And this is the Mohana gum. This is the gum, the organic way of doing this, because you have worshipped the deities, so you don't have to tie something. So this is the organic thing, you have to use it. It will remove, means when you want to, if you want to remove it again, simply it will come. You don't have to force and apply any force. Just again you have to put it, and it will not harm the Besa. It will not harm the Murti, anything. So please get this Besa for your size, and if you want to support our works, and you can buy from us. And if you want to know more about Jagannath Sanskriti, in our website justkalinga.com, there is a section called knowledge base. You can go there and you can know more about Jagannath Sanskriti. And very soon we are launching the Puranas in English, in Hindi, the e-courses, e-learning courses of Jagannath Mahaprabhu. You can buy and you can learn more about Jagannath. So if for any murtis, if you want to invite Mahaprabhu in your home, please buy from us. We are providing every size of murtis, and beautiful murtis. You can see the reviews from all over the worldwide. We have a very good name. You can see the reviews in our YouTube channel and Instagram. People are how they are reacting on my product. So buy the idols from us, and the bases, everything related to Jagannath Puri and Odisha art. You can buy from our website. Any premium thing as well, you can call us, or you can contact us. Jai Jagannath. Please subscribe the YouTube channel so you can be updated about anything, means many things about Jagannath Sanskriti. And don't miss the Mangal Aarti every day. Our team is going there and they shoot the video and they are uploading in the video on YouTube in morning only, because you can have the darshan every day. You can start with the touch of divine. Jai Jagannath. Namaskaram.
सुध सुवर्णर मण्डप मध्ये चन्दन कोठी राही दामोदर खेळन्ती हस्ते कौडी मुठी एक मुठी जुअ खेळन्ते प्रभु होइले धन्दा हसी कमलिनी कहन्ती दिय मुकुट बन्धा शुद्ध सुवर्णर मण्डप तही चन्दन कोठी राही दामोदर खेळन्ती हस्ते कौडी मुठी दुई मुठी जुअ खेळन्ते प्रभु होइले धन्दा हसी कमलिनी कहन्ती दिय कुण्डल बन्धा शुद्ध सुवर्णर मण्डप मध्ये चन्दन कोठी राही दामोदर खेळन्ती हस्ते कौडी मुठी तिनी मुठी जुअ खेळन्ते प्रभु होइले धन्दा हसी महाप्रभु कहन्ती हार निय गो बन्धा शुद्ध सुवर्णर मण्डप तही चन्दन कोठी राही दामोदर खेळन्ती हस्ते कौडी मुठी चारी मुठी जुअ पडन्ते प्रभु होइले धन्दा हसी महाप्रभु कहन्ती।